My dear students, today I want to discuss some more important problems of plane and 3D. And these problems are very important for the purpose of examination. And some problems are difficult also, and some are very conceptual problems. So my dear students, you must do this problem, and these problems are under the heading of appetizer problems, भूख पैदा करने वाला सवाल। इस टाइटल के अंदर मैंने इसको रखा है। आशा है आप इसको अच्छे से देखिएगा ही नहीं, इसको 2-4 बार बनाइएगा तो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आपका ग्रो करेगा, मजबूत होगा। If the perpendicular distance of a point from the origin is 1 and direction cosines of normal vector to the plane satisfies 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square is equal to k, then find the value of k. Let direction cosines of the normal to the plane be L, M, N. The equation of the plane in normal form is L into x plus M into y plus N into z is equal to P. But P is given here, it is 1 unit. Also L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, we know it. This sum of square of direction cosine is 1. And in this problem it is given that L, M, N satisfy the equation 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square is equal to k. This implies 1 by L square plus 1 by M square plus 1 by N square is equal to k. Now L square plus M square plus N square into 1 by L square plus 1 by M square plus 1 by N square is equal to k. Also we know M greater than equal to HM. So L square plus M square plus N square by 3 greater than equal to 3 by 1 by L square plus 1 by M square plus 1 by N square. Now my dear students, here L square plus M square plus N square into 1 by L square plus 1 by M square plus 1 by N square greater than equal to 9. Also from equation third, K greater than equal to 9. K greater than equal to 9. In this way we will solve this problem. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, ये सवाल जिस साल आया उस साल हिंदुस्तान में CBSE 2014 और 15 में 26 भाग में बटा हुआ था और किसी जोन के क्वेश्चन डिफ़िकल्ट हो गया। इसमें AM और HM का इनइक्वालिटी का एप्लीकेशन है। सो आप इस रूप से भी सवाल को बार बार प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, समझिए। Now the Cartesian equation of a line are 6x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1 is equal to 2z minus 2. Find the direction cosines of the line. Write down the Cartesian and vector equation of a line passing through 2, minus 1, minus 1, which is perpendicular to the given line. Given equation of the line 6x minus 2, 3y plus 1, 2z minus 2. By taking common 6 we have x minus 2 by 6 is equal to 3 into y plus 1 by 3, 2 into z minus 1. And it is x minus 2 by 6 by 1 by 6, y plus 1 by 3 by 1 by 3, and z minus 1 by 1 by 2. And by multiplying this by 6, we have x minus 2 by 6 is equal to 1, y minus 1 by 3 by 2, z minus 1 by 3. So my dear student, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3. So required direction cosine are a by root over a square plus b square plus c square, b by root over a square plus b square plus c square, c by root over a square plus b square plus c square. This implies 1 by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, 2 by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, 3 by 1 square plus 2 square by 3 square, that is 1 by root 12, 2 by root 12, 3 by root 12. Second part, since point 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, the equation the vector A is equal to 2i minus j minus k. The equation of line can be written as vector r plus a times of lambda vector b. Vector A is equal to 2i minus j minus k. Vector b is equal to 1i plus 2j plus 3k. The required vector equation of line is vector r 2i minus j minus k plus lambda times of I plus 2j plus 3k. So my dear students, also required Cartesian equation of line is, since vector equation of line is vector r is equal to 2i minus j minus k plus lambda times of I plus 2j plus 3k. So xi yj plus zk, 2i minus j minus k, lambda times of I plus 2j plus 3k. So it will be x minus 2i, y plus 1j, z plus 1k, lambda I, 2 lambda j, 3 lambda k. So comparing the coefficient of like terms, we have x minus 2 is equal to lambda, y plus 1 is equal to 2 lambda, z plus 1 is equal to 3 lambda. So it is x minus 2 by 1, y plus 1 by 2, z plus 1 by 3 is equal to lambda is the required equation of line in Cartesian form. So that the lines x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 4 by 4 is equal to z minus 6 by 7 and x plus 1 by 3, y plus 3 by 5, z plus 5 by 7 are coplanar. Given lines are x minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 4 by 4 is equal to z minus 6 by 7. That is x plus 1 by 3, y plus 3 by 5 and z plus 5 by 7. That is x minus minus 1 by 3, y minus minus 3 by 5 and z minus minus 5 by 7. This is second equation. Here x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 4 and z1 is equal to 6. x2 is equal to minus 1, y2 is equal to minus 3, z2 is equal to minus 5. a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 4, c1 is equal to 7. a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 5, c2 is equal to 7. So in Cartesian form, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, it is minus 3, minus 7, minus 11, 1, 4, 7, 3, 5, 7. And after expanding this determinant, we have the value of determinants is equal to 0. Therefore, given lines are coplanar. Vector form, if a2 minus a1 dot product with b1 cross b2 is equal to 0, then lines are coplanar. And this is the second method. This will be the second method. I will discuss it later on. Now, b1 cross b2 can be written as I plus I comma j comma I cap j cap k cap 1 4 7. This is a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3. And now the value of b1 cross b2 is a single vector. It is minus 7 I cap plus 14 j cap minus 7 k cap. And a2 minus a1 is equal to x2 minus x1 I, y2 minus y1 j, z2 minus z1 k. It is minus 3 I minus 7 j minus 11 k. So a2 minus a1 dot product with b1 cross b2 is equal to, what is the value of it? 0. Hence lines are coplanar. So you can solve this problem by two ways, by using vector method or Cartesian form. And you should try to solve this problem in Cartesian form if it is easy. If not, then you can follow vector form also. It depends upon you. But my dear student, it is my suggestion that if you solve the problem, first you see the problem. If the problem is given in Cartesian form, then try to solve it in Cartesian form. If the problem is in vector form, try to solve the problem in vector form. But it is easy to solve. If it is easy to solve the problem in Cartesian form, then you convert, you are free to solve, convert the problem in Cartesian form and then solve it. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैंने 3 ढंग से यहाँ सवाल बनाने के लिए कहा। पहले, यदि आपको कोई कष्ट नहीं हो तो यदि वेक्टर फॉर्म में प्रॉब्लम दिया है तो वेक्टर फॉर्म बना दीजिए, कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है तो कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में बना दीजिए, और यदि आपको कार्टेशियन फॉर्म ही अच्छा लगता है तो वेक्टर फॉर्म को कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में बदल दीजिए, तब बनाइए। इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू। इसलिए यदि वेक्टर फॉर्म पर कमांड नहीं है, यदि चीज़ नहीं दिख रहा है तो कार्टेशियन में ही बनाइए। पहले कार्टेशियन फॉर्म में ही 3D था, लेकिन लोगों को अच्छा लगा, कम समय लगने लगा तो वेक्टर फॉर्म में बना दिया। लेकिन आपको ऐसा जब कोई प्रतिबंधित नहीं है, किसी फॉर्म से बनाइए, तब इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू। दिस इज माई पर्सनल सजेशन एंड योर मार्क्स विल बी नॉट डिडक्टेड in the examination. Now, I want to solve another problem. Problem number 4. If the point 1, 1, lambda and minus 3, 0, 1 be equidistant from the plane vector r dot product with 3i plus 4j plus minus 12k plus 13 is equal to 0, find the value of lambda. It is given that the points 1, 1, lambda and minus 3, 0, 1 are equidistant from the plane. So, vector r dot product with 3i plus 4j minus 12k plus 13 is equal to 0. From the formula of distance of a point from external point p, x1, y1, z1 to plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is x1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by root over a square plus b square plus c square. We have 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12 into lambda plus 13, 3 square plus 4 square minus 12 square, and this value is in this way. So, now equating these two values, we have here two value of lambda, one is 1 and other is 7/3. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यहाँ पर हमेशा ध्यान देना चाहिए कि यहाँ मॉड को हम हटा रहे हैं. So, we will take, after removing the value of mod, you will take plus minus 8. Then you will get two value. Otherwise, you will get only one value, and that is lambda is equal to 1. So, प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, आप इन सब बातों को, सूक्ष्म बातों को भी ध्यान में रखिए ताकि आप परीक्षा में आपका एक भी नंबर नहीं कटे. Now I want to discuss problem number 5. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of a plane containing the two lines. Also show that the line lies in the plane. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल है, ये बहुत कंसेप्चुअल सवाल है. यहाँ दो लाइन का इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है. दिस इज इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड. a1 इज 2i प्लस j माइनस 3k, b1 इज i प्लस 2j प्लस 5k, a2 इज 3i प्लस 3j प्लस 2k and b2 is 3i minus 2j plus 5k. My dear student, we here get the b1 cross b2. We for now the plane containing lines first and second will pass through this a1, that is 2i plus j plus 3k. Also the plane is parallel to vectors b1 and b2. So the normal of the plane is the cross product of b1 cross b2. So we take, to get the normal of the vector, we take the cross product of these two lines. So it will be 20i plus 10j minus 8k. Therefore the vector equation of required plane is vector r minus a1, equation of the plane passing through a point, vector r minus vector a1, and dot product with vector a. This is the value of vector a. In this way, we will get the equation of the plane, vector r dot 10i plus 5j minus 4k is equal to 37. Now vector equation of plane is vector r dot product with 10i plus 5j minus 4k is equal to 37. So the given line is vector r 2i plus 5j plus 2k plus p 3i minus 2j plus 5k. Since the line 4 will lie in the plane third, this is the equation of plane. Line 4 lies in equation, it is given third, this is the equation of plane. So now vector a dot 10i, instead of r we put vector a dot 10i plus 5j minus 4k is equal to 2i plus 5j minus 4k, and 10i plus 5j minus 4k is equal to 37. We put the value of vector A here, chunki it lies in plane. So vector A lies in plane third, so 10i plus 5j minus 4k dot product with 3i minus 2j plus 5k, and it will be 10 into 3 plus 5 into minus 2 into minus 4 into 5. That is 30 minus 10 minus 20, that is 0. So therefore line 4 is parallel to the plane third. Since line 4 lies in plane third, proved. Because we are putting the value of this A, we will get the equation of the plane. The value of plane satisfies this equation. This equation is satisfied by plane. So now we have it proves that line 4 lies in plane. Line 4 lies in plane. So my dear student, in this way you can solve this problem. Now, as I think I have already given so many problems of videos, and I have already discussed all the problems from different angles. I hope after solving the problems of this type, now you will be able to solve the problems of the board examination. Thank you. Thank you very much.